How's it going, guys? Welcome to today's video. So we're working on project Isuzu KB 280 right here. Just take you guys through the car just now, but we're doing something a little bit out of the ordinary. We're changing the lock set. So I got this lock set from A1 Bucky Spares in Pretoria. Quite reasonable actually. It was about 600 bucks. So that's what we're gonna be busy with on this Bucky. That's the first order of business. Okay, so this is a 2001 Isuzu KB 280 diesel turbo. So the only challenge we have is it's got a key for the ignition, right? Everything works perfectly. You'll see it starts, right? The car is running, but the key doesn't work on the door. So I'm not sure if the key was changed at some point, but the door locks were not changed, which is very weird because even the fuel cap lock does not work. And also the passenger door lock doesn't work as well. So pretty much what we're gonna do now is I will take you through this kit that I got, show you what's inside. It's basically got everything that you will need to change the locks. Right, so I'm not sure if these Buckies have an immobilizer, or this Bucky particular one has been immobilizer defeated before. But as you guys can see, this key that is currently using doesn't have an Isuzu logo. I tried to check if it has a chip or anything. I don't see anything, so it's not gonna affect the ability of the bar key being able to start. So here we go. Right now we've got two new keys, all right, and this is the ignition. So we're going to change the ignition lock to use the new key. This should be the left door lock, and then obviously the right door lock. You can see it's got an R there, and this one's for the fuel tank. So that's the one that's going to go right there. So I think I'm gonna want to start with let's start with the easiest. Let's start with the fuel tank lock, and then work our way maybe to the passenger door, then the driver's door, then the ignition cylinder finally. Alright, here we go. So I'm gonna squeeze, right, and there we go. Okay, so here's the old one. It's gonna be rough, but now we can just slide in the new one. I'm just gonna quickly take off this protective plastic. Alright, let's squeeze that on. Right, and there we go. Now we get our new key. Let's test. Alright, so that's how it works. So now, okay, so basically you do that and it's locked. So now, just to make sure it's not gonna open, right? It's not gonna open without the key. Alright, looks like our job is done here. And then we open. So this tab here looks right. We've got a bit of rust here. We're gonna need to sort that out soon. Okay, so next we'll be doing the passenger door lock. Right, so this one I feel we'll have to do it from the inside. So basically we'll be taking off this door panel right here. One thing I know is we'll need to undo those two screws, probably clip that out, undo a screw right there for the door handle. Sure if the Okay, then the rest should be a couple of clips and this thing lifts out and we should have access to the door lock. We need to change this lock cylinder right there. Looks like we're just gonna unclip this yellow tab. I'm just gonna push it with my finger. Yes, there we go. And that releases that arm from the lock. And then looks like we undo this screw right there, and that should pop our lock cylinder off, hopefully. I'm not sure if we'll have to undo this as well, but I'll start with this one. It looks like a 10 or a star or a Phillips head screwdriver, which either one works. So yeah, there's the view right there. Let's go. Okay, our screw is out. Now let's try wiggle this out of the way. All right, no, it's not happening. So this arm here is meant to secure it in place, so we'll undo that as well. Right, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna need an extension. Hopefully this is not too long. It's a little bit too long, but we'll flex it a bit. Let's do that. There we go. Oh, great. Everything fell inside. But no worries. I'll be able to get it from in here. Let's go. Here's the screw. And here's the bracket. So let's put that aside. Now our lock cylinder is out. There we go, guys. Right, so quick comparison. This is the old one, this is the new one. It says left here, so I'm definitely sure this is the one. So yeah, just gonna quickly swap the new one back in. I'm gonna remove this protective film right there. Now we just pop that in like so, and then I'm gonna put the screw that holds it in place right there. So yeah, we can just go ahead, tighten that so long. Alright, let's take that extension off. Okay, that should do it. Now we put back the bracket that was sitting like so. Great. Okay, so yeah, this door is very dusty. My hands are so dusty right now, but you know what? Okay, because I'm getting this done. It's been long overdue, guys. It's been long overdue. So for those of you who like the Isuzu content, you'll be happy to know that this Isuzu is going to be on the channel for a while. So yeah, it's basically a project. We're restoring it. You guys should enjoy the content that's coming. So yeah, if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe and like, comment, and let's keep this going, guys. I really appreciate your feedback. Alright. Okay, so the last thing that we need to do right now is attach that rod that we took off earlier to the red plastic thing right there. So we move that out of the way so we can hook the rod in the middle. Alright, finally, there we go. Let me take you guys up closer. So as you can see, the red plastic is hooked around the wire right there. So according to my calculations, this door should be able to lock and unlock with the key, which is what we are going to test right now. Okay, I think I can close it. Alright, so let's see if it's going to lock. There we go. And it doesn't open. We unlock, there we go, and it opens. Perfect. So now we can basically put this thing back together. Right, so just reversal of taking it off. Alright guys, so we are done with the driver's door as well. Well, I didn't show that because it's the same thing as that side. So now we're going to attack the ignition. So yeah, I'll do my best to try and show you guys how we're gonna swap that ignition key barrel, and after we're done with that, that should be it for this key swap. Yeah, we're almost there, guys. We're almost there. What I'm going to do is have to remove this black plastic cover, so it's held in by a couple of screws underneath here. Alright guys, so I just got a 90-degree peek. So the way I see it, there's a hole. You see this hole right there. Now when you turn the key to the first position, which is the off position, then you should be able to poke through that hole, press that cylinder, that button in, and pull it off with the key. So I don't know if I'll be able to do it with one hand, so I'll just quickly set you guys back on the stand. Then I will basically press with one hand and pull the whole cylinder with the key. Okay, there we go. There we go. It's coming out, guys. Okay, stuck again. Not sure why. Come on. There we go. And just like that, our old key is out. Now, where is our new cylinder? So I'm gonna keep this in the same first position, the off position, and it should basically just clip itself in place. Okay, so you might need to also press it here. You see this button here, just press it for it to go into the channel. So I'm pressing it. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, should be in now. I'm gonna turn. Okay, let's see how are we doing here. Okay, somehow it's not staying in place, so I'm going to try that again. Alright guys, so I finally figured it out. The new key is working. So what was happening is the recess where the ignition barrel goes in, the new barrel was a little bit wider, so it couldn't fit in the recess. So all I did was I took the new one and then I basically filed it just around here, around the edge, and then slid it in, knocked it on with the screwdriver, and it went into the recess, and basically this clicked into that hole there, and yeah, everything's good now. So yeah, the worst is over, we are done. I'm just gonna put this back together and it's a win. Alright guys, so it's back together, we're officially done. Just need to clean her up, but yeah, now she works with the brand new key. It actually works even better because the previous key was sticking a bit when you start, so the starter would run for a few more seconds if you don't turn it back. So yeah, this is definitely worthwhile. So yeah, can't wait to keep on digging deeper into this thing. Yeah, really stoked. Thank you guys for watching. Cheers.